So if you chainsaw, it will start and then stay running, and when the time comes to cutting your wood, it will cut off. It's like losing power. If that's your problem, stay tuned and watch this video. Or it's losing power. Yeah. I'm pushing the trigger right now. It stopped. So to fix this, let me show you something. Okay, if you got a Stihl like this one, you may have to only move this guy right here, and then you get access to the top one. And then over here there is a little exhaust thing over here. You have to clean this one. Hope you can see right now. It's right in here. Here's the spark plug, and through here, right here. So this is what you're gonna do. Is to get your new nose plier and pull out this little thing like this. It's like that. See how on the edge and the middle, and see the black stuff over there? You have to clean that out. That's what's the problem. In order to clean it out, you can have a torch, or you can basically lay this on top of your stove or fire, whatever you use to cook with. So this is a very easy fix. Like that. That's it. So after cleaning it up and slide some back in place like it should, just like that. Make sure all the way down, and now slide some back in. After that, it's like that, and then start again. Let's see a bit how it's doing. Let it run about a minute or so. Okay, if you still do it after that, it just had to start all over again. And now put the this button to half choke, just like that. You can see right here. That's full choke, half choke, and then idle. So now start again and let it run until it burns everything off. Just like that, let it run for about 30 seconds, and then after that, and then push the trigger. As you can see right now, it's running good. See, I'm going to accelerate. See? Okay, I hope this video is helpful for you. As you can see, the first time it start and stay running, and then when you fixing to cut what you're cutting, it got no power, it will lose power, and then eventually it will cut off. And now it's working perfect, just like new. Hope this helpful for you. If it does, don't forget to hit like and subscribe please. Thank you again. Bye for now.